The 2015 Justice Summit wrapped up in Sarasota today. Members of law enforcement agencies, health groups, and area legislators talk about ways to improve the criminal justice system. SNN's Melissa Warren has more on how they plan to do it.
The 2015 Justice Summit concluded with a panel discussion that brought players from all sides of the issues to the table.
Is whether you're a provider of services, whether you're a state attorney, a law enforcement officer, a legislator, everybody is starting to understand that the concept of smart justice is not being weak on crime. It's the prevention of future problems and addressing problems such as mental health and substance abuse in our juveniles in a holistic manner.
Sarasota State Rep. Ray Pilon says with more than 100,000 people incarcerated in Florida, criminal justice reform is essential, and it begins with keeping young people out of jail.
Putting the emphasis, as we did last year in the Juvenile Justice Reform Bill, on prevention, intervention, and diversion costs money, but we are able to take not a lot of new funds, but we can take the cost savings on the back end when we're not incarcerating so many and put them on the front end.
Rather than putting them in the juvenile justice system, when a minor commits a nonviolent misdemeanor, they are offered a civil citation, which allows them to be assessed by the Department of Juvenile Justice for a diversion program.
Not only make them understand what they did wrong, but get to the root of the problem of why they did it.
While Bridges of America focuses on the re-entry of women into the workplace through programs that begin during incarceration.
A lot of the barriers have been addressed or continuing to be addressed, and it's been wonderful in reducing recidivism. Over the last 10 years, the Bridges had less than 8%.
In Sarasota, Melissa Warren, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
Now, this is the fourth year for the Justice Summit, and a record number of legislators have attended.